What's going on? Can't even fucking talk right now. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. As you can see, I'm wearing the same clothes. Different video though. We're doing something cool. My boy right here and Mrs. Tuesday, they got a cool car. She's over there in the background. She doesn't want to be in the cam. But tell them what you got, bro.
I didn't get a goddamn thing.
Well, tell them what she got.
She got brand newish.
Here, hold on. We got to show you guys.
Yeah.
Let's do a quick walk around.
Yeah.
Yeah, baby.
Woo. Brand new.
Damn,
brand
daddy.
Somewhat new. It's a 2019 Nissan Z convertible. Very last year they made the convertible Z. We found it on a online car shopping spot. I'll say the name if you guys pay us, but
Yeah.
yeah, it was a mint condition situation, bro. It was legit. It has 8,300 miles. 100. You might want to put that in caption.
Yeah.
100.
I'm gonna make that thing pop.
Yeah, 8,300 miles. And yeah, Mrs. Tuesday was trying to get into convertibles. She went through a bunch of different options. BMW Z4 was out there. The Jaguar F-Type was out there. We were looking at some 235s, but ultimately we really couldn't pass this up because this is I don't know, when we saw it on the site. But what got me was the mileage, the one owner, and it's just hard. It's hard to pass up 8,300 miles on a mint car like this. So she's in the Z gang now.
Welcome to the VQ fam.
Yeah, baby. Yeah, so we're here to do a little bit of testing.
So they here because, you know, your boy got a assorted parts in the shelf over here from my dead VQ. So we're gonna try to install my, I guess is not axle back, but from the white pipe back, my single exit exhaust, because this thing sounds stock as hell and we need some broom broom, you know. So here's my exhaust that I had in my car. So this is the Soho single exit exhaust, vibrant muffler, 3-inch all the way back from the Y, and we're gonna be putting it on the convertible. So let's get to it, son. You want to give me a quick, I guess, warm start because you guys drove it here, so they can see what it sounds like. So we're also gonna be installing 1-inch spacer just to bring that tire a little bit out so it could look a little more pleasing. So we'll show you guys what that looks like also.
All right, so we got it. J-Rod and Matt over here. We got the old exhaust on the 370Z converts out from the Y pipe back. Now we got the infamous RodZ 600 horsepower single exit. So my math, if my math is mathing, this is making what, 330? No.
I mean, realistically, to the crank, they say it's 330. To the wheels,
Probably like 280.
yeah, realistically.
All right, so 280.
290, actually 290.
So 290 plus 200, so that's 490 horses on the convertible. I think we're good, right?
Hey, I
think we're good.
1,000 horsepower.
Yeah, you do have 1,000. I mean, math is mathing, so this is what we got. So yeah, you can see the size comparison here. No Diddy, and a little Diddy. It's a lot of Diddy right now. We use some Diddy oil right here to clean up the exhaust end. Lots of Diddy oil. shining. So hopefully Mrs. Tuesday over there is hanging out in the customer guest lounge.
First start, here we go. Hit it.
No leaks.
Sick. Hell yeah.
Start it over? Over?
Yeah. I forgot to hit record. Sorry. Sorry, neighbors. Yeah, just do it like 2 or 3 times. Hit it. Okay. Now, what are your thoughts?
Now my thoughts are same thoughts as 2 seconds ago. Sounds great. This is really opens up the car, as everyone does say. So I love it. I'm sure Mrs. Tuesday is gonna love it too. Right, Mrs. Tuesday?
I love it.
Hell yeah, I appreciate it. We put the spacers on too. 1-inch spacers all around. Made it pop a little bit. It looks more aggressive. Got that roadster feel now, because it is a roadster. It's got to get cleaned up a bit. Maybe one day we'll lower it. Who knows? But yeah, I think she's happy. I hope she's happy.
Yeah. Now we can hear her drive off.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
You let me. RodZ,
I know.
She's one of us now.
You could smile. All right, people, we back. J-Rod asked me to do some footage and some commentary for the after install of his straight pipe single exit exhaust. We took his old exhaust there and we put it on Mrs. Tuesday's new-ish 2019 Convertible Z. It sounds gorgeous. I mean, she loves it. Mrs. Tuesday's ecstatic. She has no regrets about it right now. So I think we may just keep moving forward with it. And yeah, I just want to get some rollers for J-Rod. He asked me to get some of the reviews, some commentary on it. Matt and J-Rod helped me out with putting it on today. We also put on 1-inch spacers that I had sitting in the garage. We put them on here, so the wheels pop out just a bit. So it's fucking perfect right now. It's looking gorgeous, looking beautiful. So I think this is what she wants. This is what she needs. When I say she, I mean the Roadster here. So lots of plans coming for her. I'm sure Mrs. Tuesday is going to have her own twist on things here, and really excited to see what she wants to do with this. Really appreciate. Shout out to Matt. Shout out to J-Rod for helping make this happen. We got a lot more things going on here. So let me get you some footage here of the exhaust itself, and back to you, J-Rod. Yeah, I didn't want to go too crazy. We're in front of a school right now, or behind a school, I should say. So I'm sure it sounds a hell of a lot better driving by. So once we get some more footage, for sure we'll push it out to you guys and let you guys know what you think about it. But it sounds great, man. Just with the single cat back. It's not even a cat back, it's a Y back. So at some point we'll do some Y test pipes maybe. Get rid of the cats there, but you know, trying to get rid of that the trumpet sound. So try to see what happens. I know we just did Matt's Armitex. I think it's Armitex exhaust, and that sounds gorgeous. So, maybe we'll try to see what those equal length headers do for it. So, but yeah, man, it's looking gorgeous, it's looking pretty. Mr. Tuesday's happy for it, about it. Very dope, very happy. I don't know, maybe she's Elite Styles candidate. Who knows? I'll talk to the owner, see what he says. Peace.